Hello, my dears. It's me, ordinary girl trying to be fabulous, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my subscribers, and welcome to my non-subscribers. And if you are not subscribed, I hope you will consider doing so. And if you do, you'll make two little doggies very, very happy. So, we'll just get into the video. What I'm going to talk about, hi, is a cute little doggy named Annie. Hi, baby. Oh, she wants to talk to her mama. So, I'm sorry. I just see this precious baby and I just love her. Anyways, I have been, I do reviews, and I've been intending to do a review for this product for a while. And I have to tell you, because the thing that attracted me was the commercials. Sorry, my nose itches. It's allergy season. It's always allergy season. But the thing that attracted me was the commercials. And it's deodorant. Hi, baby. So it's deodorant. And the thing that attracted me was the commercials for the deodorant. And it's like aluminum free and baking soda free and hypoallergenic, I guess, for most people. But yeah, it's Lume. I've been using Lume for 2 years. I used Lume 2 years ago when I went to Florida, and it controlled, the underarm odor. And one thing I like about it, hi baby, one thing I like about it is that I prefer the Lume in a tube. No. I prefer the Lume in a tube because, I think the tube goes further. Like, this container is 2.2 ounces and the tube is 3 ounces, and you just use like a little pea-sized amount. So I think the tube goes farther, even without. And sometimes whenever I don't want my hands to have Lume on them, I put I'll squeeze it out onto the stick, which this is empty and I've just held onto it, but I squeeze it out onto the stick and I use it like a stick of deodorant. Because if you look at that, it just, you twist it up and it just comes out, and it's just the stuff in the tube. And it seems to come out faster. The only thing is about the tube is that, like, my tube of Lume is the same size as my tube of toothpaste. So in the morning when I'm half asleep and I'm like getting ready for my day, I have to like sit there and really think about, am I putting Lume on my toothbrush or am I putting toothpaste on my toothbrush? So that's the only problem with the tube. And I also bought from Lume, because I've had this for like, well, I haven't had this particular set for 2 years. I've bought several sets of the deodorant. It's like gel. It's like kind of a jelly type deodorant, but it works. And you just use a little bit. But I also bought the wipes because, it's hot, and in between your bath you might need a little freshening. So the wipes are good. And I have bought, I bought the soap too. And the soap smells very good, and it's not very soapy. Because I have a problem with really strong fragrances. It really upsets my nose and my sinuses, gives me sinus headache. So these smell good, but they're not like overwhelming fragrance. Like if you use them with a perfume it's not gonna be overwhelmingly, the perfume and the soap isn't gonna be fighting each other. It's just a very nice subtle fragrance. And also the thing I like about this is, like, during the summer when you need to bathe every day because you're sweating, this doesn't dry out your skin. At least it doesn't dry out my skin. And during the winter, when the air is so dry and you still need to, like, bathe every day, I found this doesn't dry out your skin either, because, like, I've had the bay rum and I've been using it. I've had it for a couple months. I know I had it during the winter and it didn't dry out my skin, which usually soap dries out my skin. And the wipes are nice when you need a little refreshing. So, you know, I don't have any other thing to say, but that's one product I really like, that I can happily say I really like, and say, you know, I like it. So with that, thank you for watching. I don't have a sponsorship with Lume, so my review is honest. I'm not telling you I like it because I'm getting any sort of kickbacks or anything. But hey, Lume, if you want to, I have like 20 subscribers. You can call me. So, with that, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye. I like this deodorant. Bye.